Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into a Wix website using the Wix login page. Whether you're trying to manage your website, update content, check your dashboard, or make changes to your pages, the first step is knowing how to properly access your Wix account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Wix website. You can use any common browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Make sure you're visiting the official Wix website to keep your account information secure, and avoid entering your details on unofficial pages. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login option there. Click on it to move to the sign-in page. On the login page, Wix gives you a few different ways to access your account. If you already created your account using an email address, you can enter your login details in the appropriate fields. Just type in your email and password carefully, making sure there are no typing mistakes. It's always a good idea to double-check your email address, because even a small spelling mistake can stop you from accessing your account. This is especially important if your password is case-sensitive, since even a small error can prevent you from signing in. Remember that passwords usually recognize uppercase and lowercase letters separately, so password and password would not be treated as the same. If you prefer not to enter your email and password manually, Wix also allows you to continue with other signing methods. You can choose to log in with Google, Facebook, or Apple, depending on how your account was originally created, or which option is most convenient for you. Using these options can make the login process faster, because you don't need to remember a separate Wix password if your account is already connected. Simply click the method you want to use, and then follow the prompts on the screen. For example, if you choose Google, Facebook, or Apple, Wix will redirect you to that service so you can confirm your identity. From there, you may need to select your account and approve the sign-in request. Just complete the necessary details or permissions as prompted. This process is usually quick and straightforward. As you're logging in, make sure you use the same method you used when you first signed up. That can help avoid confusion if you have more than one sign-in option connected to different accounts. For example, if you originally created your Wix account with Google, trying to log in with a separate email and password may not take you to the same account. Also, if the page doesn't load right away, give it a moment or refresh the browser and try again. You can also check your internet connection or try opening Wix in a different browser if the problem continues. Once you've entered your details or completed the login process with your preferred method, Wix will sign you in and take you to your account. From there, you'll be able to manage your website, edit content, or access your dashboard, depending on what you need to do. Your Wix dashboard is where you can control different parts of your website, including pages, design settings, apps, and other website tools. And that's all there is to it. Go to the Wix website, click Login at the top right, choose your preferred signing method, fill in the required details, and you're in. If you found this helpful, this is the basic process you can follow anytime you need to access your Wix account. Once you know where the login option is and which sign-in method is connected to your account, accessing your Wix website becomes a quick and simple process.